Hello everyone. Are you guys also facing this error in the Notion? When you open the Notion app, it does not respond at all. Then don't worry, I got a fix for you. First, close all Notion instances. Open the task manager and find the Notion option here and right click End Task. After it, try to run the Notion. If it didn't work, then check the internet connection. You can do a speed test of your internet, or you can browse the internet to see if your internet is working, and then try to run the Notion. If it also didn't work, then you need to clean the cache. First press Windows+R and write this command, and I will paste this command in the description section so you can copy it from there. Paste it here and press enter. Now you need to delete the Notion folder from here. Now you need to check again if the Notion is fixed. If it isn't fixed, then you need to run Notion as administrator. Run Notion as administrator like this, and if all of those solutions don't work, then uninstall the Notion from program and features. Make sure there is no version remain of Notion. Once every Notion is deleted, download the latest version from official Notion site and install it. After it, your problem should be fixed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.